In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your side mirror on your Hyundai Accent. It's located on the passenger side door. So we're going to pop off this black cover here. Use your trim tool, and you're just going to pry it away and let that hang. And now we can unplug our harness. Using a 10mm socket, we are going to take out these bolts. And for this last one, I would hold on to your mirror on the other side of the door. Don't drop your bolt down there. All right, so now that you're on the outside of the door, you're gonna push up and pull it out. All right, so before you install, take off your little packaging triangle there, protect that point. So this hole right here, we're gonna line up with this little dowel. It's like a guide to help you get it in the right way. So you're gonna line those up. Once you get it in there, you're gonna press. And then you can go around the other side and start your bolts. So I'm gonna let go of this. Okay, so I'm gonna put a hand on this mirror on the outside, and I'm gonna start my bolts. And then we're gonna put our last bolt in. Let's snug them up. We're gonna do a little bit at a time. So they're equally tight. All right, once you've tightened them, you're just gonna snug them up a little bit. Let's say about 1/8 of a turn. Right about there. Now we're gonna plug in our harness. Make sure that button is on the top. And then we're gonna put our panel back on. Pops in. Now you're going to put your key on and make sure your power mirror is working.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.